Good morning to you, children. Welcome to our new session of Class 8. In Class 8, you have two textbooks. One is main textbook and the other is supplementary textbook. The name of the main textbook is Honeydew and the name of the supplementary reader is It So Happened. So you have to download these two textbooks to study. Before we start our first lesson, let me ask you few questions. The first question is that can you tell me the name of the important festivals of Hindus? Yes, Diwali, next Onam, etc. Very good. Then the second question is can you tell me some important festivals for Muslims? Yes, of course, it is Eid al-Fitr. And the third question is which are the most important festivals for Christians? Yeah, their major festival is Christmas. Very good. So, Christmas is the major festival for Christian and this world. Can you tell me what are the speciality of Christmas? What generally the kids expect on the day of Christmas? Yes, of course. Maybe it will be gift. Can you tell me the name of the person who give gifts on the day of Christmas? Yes, you are correct. It is Santa Claus. So we will start with our book Honeydew. So the name of the first lesson is the best Christmas present in the world. Now let's know who is giving the gift and who is receiving the gift in the story. So this is going to be the best gift in somebody's life. So today we are going to begin our first chapter, that is the best Christmas present in the world. The story is written by Michael Morpurgo. So he's actually a poet and a novelist as well. So in this chapter we are told about a story which is linked to dates. If you look at before you read section on the first page on my screen, page number 9. If you don't have textbook, don't worry, just listen to the screen. Okay, can you see before you read section? Yeah, very good. In this session, you can see some important dates given. So you have to find out what event have been matched to these dates. We always remember history through date and time, right? So there are some important dates given here you may find out. The answers are already given on page number 23, but you can just find out the answers too. So, one such date is linked is 1914, and the event that is connected to 1914 is First World War that happened between British and German. So, this story is related to this war and how army faced this period. What happened on the Christmas day? The story is divided in 3 parts. Okay, so today we should just look at the first part. So before we are going to the chapter, we shall just note down who are the main characters in the story. Okay, so we have one narrator who is writing this story. Then the second one is Jim Macpherson. He was the leader of the one of the troop of British Army. So he is an English soldier. Before joining the army, he was a teacher. He was at Dorset. This place is now at England. He was a very kind and open-hearted by nature. The third character in the story is Connie Macpherson. She is the wife of Jim Macpherson, and the story just says what all she faced in her life when her husband left her for the war. So, who are the characters we learn now? Yeah, the narrator himself, then Jim Macpherson, next one, Connie Macpherson, and one more character is there, that is Hans Wolf. Hans Wolf is the captain of German troop and he is a friendly person. So, these are the characters in the story. Now, let's get started.